Hey guys, welcome to MNMM PT NAATI YouTube channel. Today's topic is very interesting. I have selected 5 essay titles which according to me repeat every now and then. Every single week I'm seeing them coming to one or the other student. So I decided that let me share those 5 essay titles that are very important according to us. And also you might be one of those that you get 1 or 2 essays from this list in your exam. So it's good that you go through them, and also we will discuss their ideas so that you also get some understanding of how to generate ideas in essay writing. So the first one is companies' top level authorities should involve their employees in decision making process. Now this is one of the most repeated essays that I have seen. So very clear essay. If you have watched our essay writing video, you should know what ideas, how many ideas you need, positive idea, negative idea, what is the structure. So I'm assuming you have seen that video and you know how to now write essay. Let's say I need one positive idea regarding this title. So what can be that one positive idea? Straight away, a lot of employees can share their ideas, and that ways company can get a lot of productive ideas, because the more number of people share ideas, the more ideas you come across. There is always a variety of ideas. So you can write down this in your idea, positive idea, that if companies take ideas from their employees, companies will get a lot of options in ideas, and it will be very easy for them to select a productive one. So that can be your positive idea. Now let's say you need a negative idea because you have another paragraph, all right? So what can you write? You can write, if a company has 5,000 employees, all right, or if a company has a lot of employees, it's very hard for the company to ask for every single person for their decision and then honor every single person's decision or respect every single person's decision. Because if I'm asking for decision from 5,000 people, I cannot honor 5,000 decisions. I have to either honor 1 or 2. So I cannot keep everybody happy. So you can write down a negative idea. Company can ask for decisions, but they cannot keep everyone happy, and employees might feel demotivated if their ideas are not honored. So these are the 2 ideas that you can keep in mind regarding this essay. Again, quickly, the essay title was Companies' Top Level Authorities Should Involve Their Employees in the Decision Making Process. Second, environment is in danger. What should be done to overcome this problem? Problem solution essay. So the problem is environment is in danger. What problem can you discuss? Air pollution. People are driving a lot of cars, so air pollution increases. Air pollution increases, obviously it's a danger to environment. What solution can you write? Very simple, straightforward. Start planting trees. So the problem is air pollution because of a lot of vehicles and industries and factories. There is a lot of air pollution. That is my problem that I will discuss in the problem paragraph, and in the solution I can discuss people can start planting trees and doing a lot of gardening just so that they can spread the awareness of going green. So keep the ideas simple, straightforward. Don't try to complicate it unnecessarily just by thinking that if I write down very over the moon idea, then I'll get a very good score. No, keep your ideas as straightforward and simple as possible. Third essay, in developing countries, tourism has advantages and disadvantages. All right, so I need one positive idea and one negative idea. What can I write over here? This is a one topic essay because there is only one topic, tourism. What is the good point? I mean the positive idea for tourism. A lot of people from different countries will come and visit your country, and they will spend a lot of money in your country. So obviously your country will get more revenue, all right, more jobs. So tourism, that is the advantage. And what about the negative idea? You can write like this. Sometimes when a lot of people from different countries come to your country, people living in your country might observe different culture, and they might sometimes forget their own culture, because this does happen. Now let's not get into the etiquette part or the ethics part, because that's not our perspective here. We are not sharing or discussing or having a debate regarding our views. We are just clearing our PTE exam. So you write down what you feel is correct. Doesn't matter if it is in the synchronization of the essay title that you have. If it is connected, linked, you will get your score if it's making sense. So I'm not going to use my brain a lot in creating ideas. Normal ideas are fine. Next one, Nowadays, the way many people interact with each other has changed because of technology. In what ways technology has impacted relationships? So this is the essay. This is one of my favorite essays because it is actually so true for today's world, and this essay is repeated so many times. So you might be one of them who will get this essay. Now, positive part of technology. I can write down that after moving overseas, students or people who move overseas, they can still talk to their family every single day or see their family actually every single day because of the social media or the online platforms or the technology. That is a good part, right? Now, bad part. I mean, the negative idea. You can say people spend a lot of time on social media and on devices and technology, and they ignore or they give less time to their family members. This is negative idea. So it's very easy to generate ideas. Just think, what is around me? What am I seeing in everyday life? You will find it somewhere or the other. All right. Last, vaccination is an important and efficient method of avoiding infectious disease. Should parents be legally required to vaccinate children, or should they have the right to say no? Now, this is a two-topic essay because they have two different discussions over here. First is legally it should be compulsory. Second is parents should have a right to freedom and all that. You might also have a debate over here that it looks like one topic essay. To me, doesn't matter, because ultimately what my understanding is, one of the passage I will be writing that parents will be legally required to vaccinate children. All right, that's my first part. So what can you write about it? So you can write down that government should make it legally compulsory for the parents to get their children vaccinated to stop the spread of infectious disease. That's your one paragraph. All right. Now in the second paragraph, what can you write down? Or should they have the right to say no? Now in one paragraph, you can write down the part where you're saying it's legally okay. The other paragraph, you can write down that few people feel that vaccination should be a personal choice and government should not force people to get vaccinated, because a lot of people have different opinion, so they should be given the freedom to respect their opinion. So it's ultimately up to you how you want to structure your essay. If you have not seen the essay writing video, go back to the essay writing video, watch the video, go through the structure of the essay and see where you need positive and negative idea, and then problem solution, you need a problem and a solution to be discussed. In two topic essays where you have two different things, you have to take side of one of the thing, and the other thing you have to say that other people take side of it. So it's pretty much the discussion of both the ideas. It's like, do you like tea or coffee? You will, if you like coffee, you'll say I like coffee, coffee is good, coffee wakes me up and all that. And then in the other paragraph you can write down, but some people like tea. So you're basically honoring both the side of view, because it's a two topic essay. You need to cover both the topics. You can't just write down one side and forget the other one. All right. So I hope these 5 topics kind of made sense to you. And this video is something I would suggest every single essay title should be written in your notebook. Write down the ideas whenever you have time. Type these essays, because I understand essay is not that important, but according to me, it is one of those topics where you can get your scores easily. So if you get 2 essays in exam, 10 marks are for sure in writing section, because if you have memorized the essay structure, it's not a big deal to carve the the ideas in it, or to project the ideas and to just come up with an essay. I hope you all are practicing good amount of essays and other topics as well. If you have any concerns, questions, feel free to post here in the comment section below. We are more than happy to address all your queries, and good luck, practice hard and clear your PT as soon as possible. Bye for now.